and it takes you to the original page of Google Colab. So once that's done, it tells you whether to start a new document, let's say for instance a new note, or you can use a recent already used one. So in my case, I'll start a new one, though I'll be demonstrating you this using what we did as a group in this assignment. So you see from this that it brings up a window. So here, that's where we're gonna learn our commands, and also we have this box. So Google Colab is also imputed with an AI system, Gemini, where it also helps you to analyze some errors. Wherever you're stuck, you can also use this Gemini. So in our case, we are taught to analyze students' data, learn some ORS regression using Wage 1 data, which is found in Rootditch. We also were taught to use photo data and also other data analysis. So from there, I'll just demonstrate or go through. I'll demonstrate and go through some. Yeah. So I'll go through some analysis that we use as a group. First of all, you have to authorize data. So that's a step one. Google Colab. For you to understand interpretation using education. Now you see that what it's telling us is that if an individual increases education by 1 year, probably that individual is to experience a wage increase of about, in percentage form, that's about 60% to the nearest whole number. The same way, if an individual increases maybe experience by 1 year, wages are probably to increase by about 0.2%. Yeah. So that's a basic interpretation of the ARIES regression results. Now we continue from there. We did learn some diagnostics to check for heteroscedasticity, which tells us how the variations or the standard deviation is scattered across the mean. Yeah. So from there, we continue. We see that from our analysis using heteroscedasticity, we have a p-value of about 2.39. I mean 2.34. This tells us that this p-value is greater than our tabulated p-value, which is 0.05. Now, this being the case, we reject the null hypothesis to say this data has no presence of heteroscedasticity, meaning to say there is heteroscedasticity. I mean,